3 luxury advertisements, 0 cameras, 0 actors, just AI. Today, I'll show you how we created premium advertisements for a luxury perfume, a real estate brand, and a product commercial, and exactly how we made each one. Most AI videos still look AI, so the goal wasn't to make videos. The goal was to make commercials people would actually believe were professionally shot. The tools we used for each one is a mix of ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and After Effects for editing. Like any commercial, we started with inspiration. Once we had our references, we used ChatGPT to help convert those ideas into detailed prompts. Instead of writing one prompt for the entire commercial, we generated prompts for every individual shot to maintain consistency throughout the sequence. With the prompts ready, we generated the images and then animated each shot using Kling 3.0 Pro through the ElevenLabs platform. For this ad, we started by creating a before and after image using ChatGPT. Once we were happy with the result, we used this prompt to animate it into a luxury real estate commercial. After generating the video, we made a few final refinements in After Effects to complete the advertisement. If you'd like the exact prompts along with the complete workflow, I've bundled everything into an AI commercial starter pack. You'll find the link in the description. Before we move on, a quick shout out to ElevenLabs. I originally used it just for voiceovers, but now you can also generate images and videos using some of the best AI models, all from one platform. If you're interested in trying it out, you'll find the link in the description. For our final ad, we took inspiration from a Coca-Cola sustainability campaign and recreated it using AI. We used ChatGPT to generate the prompts, animated the shots with Kling 3.0 Pro through the ElevenLabs platform, and then brought everything into After Effects for the final edit. Here's the final result.